This is a 80s General Electric model 4625A digital alarm clock radio, which has been upgraded to play Bluetooth. I'll show you. So that's the Bluetooth. It's playing out of this radio. You can adjust the volume with this or here. Switch back to radio is back here. There's a switch.
I would love to do the diner tour more than
AM, FM. The AM and FM both work.
The people in Sacramento.
It's AM.
And yes, the pretzels.
FM.
Lady 8, remember when
Peter, who is part of the Westport School District. Faith Sweeney joins us here. And Faith,
alarm.
welcome. Thank you so much for making the time to be here as our diner tour stop number 2 at Andrews. Thank you.
6:45.
Thank you for having me. You're very welcome.
It's 6:40.
Talk about the experience you have in education and what brought you to Westport.
This is my 29th year of teaching.
Switch back
Oh my
to
goodness.
Bluetooth. Hit play.
Pixel Pig by D. Young.